Hey, don't you want to hear music at an audiophile quality level wherever you are? Try these.
So don't you remember how sweet it used to be?
Perfect for an audiophile listening experience without cable. Good evening. Try these. The best choice for your personal listening.
Waits a moment, then passes to Granger. Granger turns around.
Experience hearing boost presets and TV noise suppression for superior speech clarity.
Can he reach him? No, Miller kicks the ball, and there is Richards. He takes the header, and goal right into the net. We have
And
a game on our hands.
check out the music enhancement mode. Hi. I'd like to make a recommendation. You like movies? Try these. Do you feel the rich sound and powerful bass boost?
This is the Avantri HT5009, the long-range wireless headphone and transmitter set. Here's a look at what you'll find inside the box. And a closer look at the Oasis Plus transmitter. As well as the AS9S headphones. First, connect the transmitter to a power source using the USB cable we provided. And flip the switch to TX.
Power on. Bluetooth transmitter mode with active bypass.
You'll see the TX LED start flashing white. Next, turn the headphones on by pressing and holding the multifunction button for 2 seconds. Get the two devices close to each other and give it a few seconds. They will auto-connect. Once connected, you'll hear
Connected. Ready for use.
and you'll see the A indicator light up. Before connecting anything to your TV, check and see which option your TV supports: optical, auxiliary, or RCA. Any one of the three will work. First, the optical port. For this option, simply connect the transmitter to your TV using the optical cable we provided. You'll see the OPT indicator on the transmitter light up. If the OPT indicator is not on, short press the AUX OPT switch once.
Optical mode. Please ensure optical cable is connected.
Next, go to your TV settings menu and set your audio format to PCM. Next, we'll talk about the auxiliary port. If you have this, it's just as simple. Connect the transmitter to your TV using the auxiliary cable we provided. You should see the AUX indicator light up. If it doesn't, press the AUX OPT switch once.
Auxiliary mode. Please ensure auxiliary cable is connected.
Now you should be able to hear your TV through your headphones. If not, please check to make sure that your TV speaker has been set to headset. Finally, we'll talk about the RCA port. For this option, please only use the ports labeled Audio Out. The other ones will not work. To get going, connect the RCA to AUX converter cable that we provided to the auxiliary cable, which is also provided, and then connect your TV to the transmitter using that. You should see the AUX indicator on the transmitter light up. If it doesn't, simply press the AUX OPT button once.
Auxiliary mode. Please ensure auxiliary cable is connected.
Now you should be able to hear your TV through the headphones. If not, check your TV settings to make sure your TV speaker is set to external speaker. To charge the headphones, connect a power source to the headphones charging dock using the USB cable we provided. The LED light will turn red while charging and automatically turn off when it's done. If you would like to have audio come out of both your headphones and your soundbar at the same time, check out the unique bypass function here.